Hi, hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to use our option breakout trap detector indicator. So this video is for how to use the full setup, and I will be explaining all the details about this indicator. Watch this video clearly. So first of all, I have included the indicator with the 3 chart view here. Why? Because we will be using the index in one chart, and we will be seeing the option, call option and put option simultaneously. We will be using it for analysis. So now we have included all the 3 charts. We have included our indicator. So to know about the settings of this indicator, I am just opening the settings. So in the settings, you will be having an option for inputs. In the inputs, you will be having an option to select the symbol. So symbol is nothing but you can also select all the index in Indian market, and if you want to go with other symbols, you can just click on others and select the which symbol you are going to trade. So you can select the symbol. So based on the option only, this indicator is working. So if you are working in stocks also, you can use this indicator by clicking on others and choose the particular stock. So based on that, it will be calculating. And the next setup is a spot ATM. Why we are giving this spot ATM? Because we should always update this spot ATM in every day market opens. Once the market opens, in pre-market there will be an open price. Pre-market, if you have missed the pre-market session, then you can just click on this option and you can select the extended trading hours. Here you will be getting an option that you will be in 955. You can see here, in 95 there is an pre-market, right? So pre-market, what is the open price? You can easily calculate 25,999. So like this, you can also see the pre-market open price, and based on that we will be calculating the spot ATM. If 25,999 is the value, then the spot ATM will be 25,000. 26,000 will be the spot ATM. So that is what we are giving in the input. So every day market opens, pre-market you will be selecting the spot ATM based on the pre-market open price, and you will be giving it as an input for the index, whatever the index you are using. And next, the strike interval, nothing but we will be having an interval for each and every strike prices. In Nifty we will be having 50 points, you will be having another strike price, and for bank Nifty you will be having 100 points, there will be a other strike price. So that is what we are mentioning here, the strike interval. And next we will be choosing the expiry date. What is the current week expiry or current month expiry for the particular index you are using? So that is what the setup. It is a basic setup only. And after that we will be seeing with this call option look back range and the P look back range you will be seeing. And first of all, you should understand how this indicator is working. This indicator is useful to analyze the trap moves, and based on the trap moves only we are making the entry. That is what this indicator is named as option breakout trap detector. So this indicator will be giving you a high important levels and high important zones it will be forming. So these important zones we will be getting in the live market once the some conditions will be met by our analysis. We have given this plot. So whenever you are getting this zones, this same zones will be plotted in all the options, as well as in put option you will be having, and call option you will be having the same strike price I have chosen. You can see that 26,000 is the spot ATM I have chosen. So same I have selected the symbol name for the call option as well as put option. That's 26,200. So in 3 chart view we will be applying our indicator also. I have just maximized the pan. If you minimize, you will be having the option to see the indicator settings. Now after including the indicator, I have maximized the plan only just to see the zones. Whenever you are getting the zone, red zone or green zone, once the zone is arrived, you should wait for the candles to break above or break below. That means the breakdown or breakout should be happened, then only there will be entry point. Why we are seeing with the 3 chart view is just to confirm that whenever we are getting the zone, we should wait for the candles to break above with in 3 charts it should have the confirmation. That is why we have included in 3 chart view. For example, let us see this entry point in 1045. There's an entry, right? So after that in 1050 candle there is a breakout. So there should be a breakout in the call option, because it is a buying side breakout, and there is a breakout in call option, and there should be a breakdown in the put option. So these confirmations we are getting for three confirmations we are getting. Even if it is breaking out in the index also, we should confirm with the call option as well as put option. Then only it is a highly confirmed entry, so that only we are making this confirmation, and this will be increasing the accuracy of the entry. So that is why we are doing it, and fake breakouts can be avoided because of this type of confirmation. And whenever you are getting the zone, you can see now call option table is there and put option table is there. So you will be getting in values, right? This value denotes that how much sellers are there in this particular option. In C you can see only one sellers are there, so the power is very low. And in put option you can see almost 10, the value is 10, so it is very high. So sellers are very high in the put option. This shows that the market is showing us the call option buying moments. And put up, when the call option is going to zero, then the movement of buyers will be very high in call option. That is what it mentions. And whenever you, based on this table also, you can easily analyze if the call option is reducing, like if the call option is increasing, then the call option sellers are coming back in action. So based on this you can also make decision that in call option the action is happening, and in put option still the sellers are in active, so the market may be in a neutral. So in this time market may be in a neutral. So this type of analysis you can do with this indicator. This is the most important useful of this indicator. Whenever you are having the zone opportunity, wait for the correct breakout and confirmation. With 3 chart view you can analyze. And if you are not having the premium version of trading view, you can just go and apply in 3 new tabs. You can open 3 new tabs and apply call option and put option in separate tabs. So 3 view you can see in a separate chart also. So just for making a confirmation you can go and watch then other tabs if you are having a normal version of trading view. If you are having a premium version, you will be having an option to select this three layout setup. That's it traders. This is what the setup. So I hope you all understood about the full clarity about how to make the entry with this indicator. And whenever you are making the entry, you should keep the stop loss below the zone until the stop loss is hit. You can wait, and you can also keep 1:2 risk reward ratio for each and every entry. That will be a better move for this entry point. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other doubts in this video, you can also WhatsApp us, and you can also comment below this video, and our team is always there to reply back to your comments. And in our YouTube channel you can just comment below whatever the doubts you have in this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thank you traders.